तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Hi everyone, what do you think? Why I have added this video? Students, this video has a little bit connection with my topic. That's why I have added this video. Good morning all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Now let's start today's topic, that is lesson 3, soil. Now first of all, what is soil? Why soil is important? Students, soil is a substance which is made up by breaking up of rocks. So, before doing the soil, we will do how soil is important for all of us. Let's see. First of all, soil is a medium in which plants grow. See students, soil holds the roots of plant and gives them water and minerals. Stem carries this water and mineral from the roots to all parts of plant. In this way plants grow. So, life on the earth would not be possible without soil, because plants won't grow without soil. So, it's very important for growth of plants and animals. Now next is, soil provides shelter to many tiny living things. You know students, tiny living things such as bacteria, fungi, worms live in the soil. This is very little amount of soil, but millions of bacteria live in this soil. So, soil is a home to many tiny organisms. Now third point is, soil is very useful in preparing medicines. How preparing medicines? Students, medicines such as penicillin are prepared from bacteria and fungi that grow in the soil. So soil is useful in preparing medicines also. Now fourth is, soil is also useful in making buildings. See students, houses, schools, buildings are made up by sand, and sand is a type of soil. Now next, soil acts as water filter. When rainwater passes through different layers of soil, it gets purified and stored as groundwater. So, rainwater is purified by the soil, and we are using groundwater for many purposes. That's why soil is important. Now, let's summarize all the important points of soil. First of all, medium in which plants grow, shelter to many living things, preparing medicines, making buildings, and acts as a water filter. So, all these points tells us how soil is important for all of us. So, soil is precious. We must save soil. Now students, let's see how soil was formed. You know students, soil was not formed in a day or in a year. There is a big story behind formation of soil. Long ago, there was no soil on the earth. There were only big rocks. Then these big rocks broke into fine particles by the continuous action of sun, wind and water. The process by which rocks are broken into smaller particles is called weathering. Now this question can come in your exams, that what is weathering? The answer is, the process by which rocks are broken into smaller particles is called weathering. Now After that, when big rocks are broken into smaller pieces, that smaller pieces gets collected over by wind and water. Just see in this video. Here, soil is carried by wind, soil is also carried by water. Then gradually it was scattered over the earth and formed a layer of soil. Just see here. A layer of soil was formed on the earth. Then small plants started growing on the soil. When these plants died, they rotted on the soil. Means जब वो plants मरते हैं तो वो again उसी soil में mix हो जाते हैं. This made the soil more fertile. इससे soil और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी quality की हो जाती है. And then more plants started growing on the soil. These plants helped animals to grow on the land. When animals are getting food from the plants, they also started growing on the land. And as the time passed, more and more remains of dead plants and animals mixed with the rocks, that weathered rocks. Weathered rock means जो rocks छोटे छोटे pieces soil के बने हुए हैं. Actual में वो weathered rocks ही हैं. And form the layer of soil on the earth. This is the way how soil was formed.
Yes, students, I think with that video, it must be clear to all of you that how soil is formed. Students, I advise you to read page number 26 and 27 of your book so that you will read it and understand how soil is formed. And you will also come to know what are the importance of soil. So just read these 2 pages and that the points will be clear. That's all for today, students. Happy learning.